Okay, everybody, we got a special driving with Pete here. Yeah, this is Alta ski area today on the 10th, I think. It's Wednesday. Oh, look, they sent 2 buses. How nice. Yeah. It's a little snowy. Look, yeah, there's Gold Miner's Daughter, the hotel and the restaurant. But look, they sent 2 994s, thank God. That's awesome. I like that. Okay, here we go. Snow mode on Pete Ski. There we go. Okay. Okay, here goes. Shit. Well, they said the road was going to be bad today. It's a little bad. So, oh, this is up here is called Hell's Gate. The Hell's Gate area is closed because of avalanche. They said that they popped one earlier, but that's okay. Oh shit, we got a what do you call it? Snowplow. Snowplows in Utah, the best ever. Snowplows ever. Really, they're awesome and they're everywhere. So we could take the bypass road. There's a bypass road that kind of goes around by the Cliff Lodge and Snowbird, and yeah, so we don't have to go through Hell's Gate, the avalanche area. But there's plenty of other avalanche areas on the way down. Hopefully there's not going to be traffic. The Red Stake of Death is what it's called. It took me 3 hours last time. I left at 4:30. It's 4 o'clock. But today, that was a weekend last year. Today it's a Wednesday, and they shut down the canyon at noon. And so a lot of people left at noon, and then they opened it up at 2, and a lot of people left when it opened up. But I wanted to stay and ski the powder, because we don't get powder like this all the time. At least I don't. But I guess if I lived here. Okay, so now we got to make it down this hill. Yeah. Okay. Oh shit! Slipping and sliding there. We're gonna have to go a lot slower. Gotta pump those brakes. Gotta pump the brakes. Anti-lock brakes, if you just push down on them, they're just going to lock, and they're not really going to help you much. So you got to really pump. Uh-oh. He's slipping and sliding up ahead of me. Okay, so over here is Powderbird. Yeah. And I have 4-wheel drive with snow tires. But we need a snowplow. Oh, shit. Snowplow. We need a snowplow. Fuck. Need a snowplow. Alrighty, I'm gonna sign off here because this is gonna be a long ways now, and it's gonna be slow. But this is what it's like here at Alta at 4 o'clock, closing time. Skiing, driving with Pete on a really snowy day. I know. So we are gonna have the Red Snake of Death apparently, because we all have to drive really slow like this. Otherwise, we're gonna hit each other. Red Snake of Death. Look, there's people skiing. Yeah, so do not come up to Alta unless you have a vehicle that is properly equipped for the conditions, because you'll ruin your vehicle or you'll get stuck. Skiing with Pete is over. We're here at Alta today. Yeah, it's snowing. So by the way, this hotel that's up here, this is the Cliff Lodge. Absolutely awesome hotel. If you're ever going to come to Snowbird or Alta, I highly suggest staying at the Cliff. It's beautiful. It's not too cheap though. You don't want cheap, but look, you're right here. You don't have to deal with the frickin' road. The road sucks. Dealing with the road sucks. The road is actually pretty good, but just dealing with the road is not too much fun. You just got to go slow, and we'll make it down the hill. I think it's about 7 miles, 9 miles, something like that. But we'll be okay. We'll make it. Got 4-wheel drive. Got my snow tires. I got my snow mode. Snow mode. Yeah. Alrighty. Skiing with Pete's over. See you later.